Hello everyone, this is Cindy from China, Hunan Kingda ceramic. We mainly produce zirconia beads, including H stabilized zirconia beads, series stabilized zirconia beads, zirconia silicate beads, and aluminum grinding beads. All those grinding beads are used for grinding, polishing, and dispersing. That usage is very wide, such as in the ceramic, painting, coating, and food. We also produce ceramic grinding jars, including zirconia, aluminum, tungsten carbide, and aged grinding jars. We have produced the zirconia and aluminum grinding jars for the fridge and flash. Okay, let's check our sample room.